Welcome back to the channel for solutions of practice problems for actuarial exams. Here is where you can find information about me at smarturl.it/Jedi. Here is my advice on how to pass actuarial exams, smarturl.it/pass. And if you would like to support the actuarial program at Illinois State University, go to smarturl.it/ISU actuary donate. Here is a problem from the last exam MLC, problem number 13 in the multiple choice section. You are given a type B universal life policy with the account value at time 5 of $100,000. The additional death benefit is $1 million. Remember, type B is the type of policy where the payment upon death is the account value plus the additional death benefit. Expense charges of 3.5% of premiums plus 100 per year paid at the beginning of the year. The cost of insurance charge is 50 per thousand of insurance in policy year 6. IC, the credited interest rate per year is 4%. IQ, the interest rate per year for discounting the net amount at risk in the cost of insurance calculation is 0.06. A surrender charge of 6% of account value is collected upon surrender. A premium of $25,000 is paid at the beginning of policy year 6. Calculate the cash surrender value at the end of policy year 6. So here is the solution. We calculate the account value at time 6, the end of policy year 6, using the formula for the type B universal life. That's the type of policy where the account value plus additional benefit paid at death. The following way, the account value at time 6 is the account value at time 5 plus the premium for the 6th policy year after expenses for the premium minus flat expenses that are not percentage of premium minus cost of insurance discounted at the beginning of the year at the rate used for that discounting, and then everything accumulated at the credited rate, the rate that is paid to the account for the account value purposes. So in this problem, the rate used for discounting of cost of insurance to the beginning of the year is different than the rate used for accumulation of the account value. That's one of the key features of this problem, and you need to know what to do in this case, and this is what you just see here. So what we have is a previous account value of $100,000 plus the premium of $25,000. We subtract 3.5% expenses minus 100 of expenses, and minus the cost of insurance, which is 50 per thousand, and the additional death benefit, which is the net amount at risk in this case. It's the net amount at risk that is discounted, not the account value, because you just pay out the account value. It's the risk of that additional death benefit, which in this case is net amount at risk. So remember, the net amount at risk is always the actual payment of death benefit, what the amount is, minus whatever reserve you keep for it, and in this case the account value is the reserve. And of course the payment is the additional death benefit plus the account value. When you subtract the account value, that's why you have the additional death benefit, which is $1 million, and the cost of insurance is 50 per thousand, so 1,000 thousandths in a million, the cost is 50,000, 50 times 1,000. Discounted at 6%, so divided by 1.06, all accumulated at 4%, so multiplied by 1.04, where we get the account value then at the end of the year. But the question is about not the account value, but the cash surrender value, which is what is paid after the surrender charge is subtracted from the account value. So we subtract 6% from the account value. So the cash surrender value is 94% of this account value of approximately 75,133.63, which is answer E. Just remember, this is copyrighted material, and of course the problem from the Society of Actuaries exam belongs to the Society of Actuaries and is used here with permission. Good luck in your studies and good luck on the test.